I am Annette Kelley. I have been practicing law since 1994. I am licensed to practice in Tennessee, Georgia, and Alabama. Before joining the Hamilton firm, I represented insurance companies in car wreck cases. During those years, I gained valuable knowledge and insight into the insurance industry, and I recognize the frustrations and ordinary people face trying to deal with insurance companies. Car wreck cases cause far too many serious injuries and deaths every year, with devastating physical, emotional, and financial impacts on those that are injured and their families. If you've been involved in a car wreck that was not your fault, we can help. Our firm has an in-house investigator who interviews witnesses and collects and preserves evidence. We have a staff of trained paralegals who gather the reports, records, bills, and other documents necessary to present your case to the insurance companies. If the insurance company will not offer a fair settlement, we will be ready to file suit and take the case to court. Understanding and recognizing the various layers of insurance coverage can make all the difference in obtaining a fair recovery in a car wreck case. Far too often, the driver who is at fault does not have enough liability insurance. We leave no stone unturned in trying to identify all sources of insurance coverage that might be available to you. For instance, if you have a Georgia auto insurance policy, your own uninsured motorist coverage may provide additional compensation in excess of the defendant's liability coverage, and coverage can be stacked if there are multiple policies. If you have a Tennessee auto policy, your insured motorist coverage may provide additional coverage if you have uninsured motorist coverage in an amount greater than the defendant's liability insurance. Of course, insurance companies don't always inform you of all the coverage that may be available to you, and they often try to settle cases for far less than they are actually worth. In Georgia and Alabama, you generally get 2 years to file a lawsuit for injuries caused by a car wreck. In Tennessee, however, there is a 1-year statute of limitations, so you have to have your case settled within 1 year or you have to file your lawsuit in court. Often, you haven't even finished your medical treatment in 1 year and don't know if your injuries will be permanent in nature. So it's important to attain effective legal representation in serious injuries cases. Compensation in a car wreck case can include money for bodily injury and impairment, as well as pain and suffering, lost earnings, future lost earnings, and medical expenses. Our team includes 2 other attorneys, Hugh Hamilton and Patrick Cruz, who have years of trial experience. Feel free to call us if you need help with your car wreck case. There is no charge for the initial consultation.